Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to use AI, specifically ChatGPT, to learn a new programming language. I'll pretend I don't know Python, and I'll use it only as an example of how AI can teach you any language step by step. I'll write code in Visual Studio Code while using ChatGPT as my tutor. I'm starting with a new Python file in VS Code and ChatGPT opened in my browser. I'll learn concepts by asking small, direct prompts. I want to learn how to check whether a number is divisible by 7. Here's the first prompt I'll type. ChatGPT gives me code I can paste directly into VS Code. I'll run it and see how it works. And here's the most important part. To really understand the code, you should change something, run it again, and see the result. For example, change the number, change the message, or try checking divisibility by another number. This experiment and observe process helps you learn much faster. If I don't understand a symbol like the modulo operator, I can ask ChatGPT directly. If I make a mistake while experimenting, I can paste the error into ChatGPT and ask what's wrong. This is like having a programming teacher available instantly.
Now let's move to loops. I want Python to generate the first 40 terms of a geometric series where the first term is 9 and the ratio is 1.5. Here's the prompt.
ChatGPT gives me the code. I'll run it in VS Code and check the output. And again, this part is crucial for learning. Change something and observe what happens. Try changing the first term, change the ratio, or generate only 10 terms instead of 40. By adjusting the code and running it repeatedly, you build intuition for how loops really work. If I want ChatGPT to teach me the loop more clearly, I can also ask for commented code. Again, if I make a mistake while experimenting, I can paste the error into ChatGPT and ask what's wrong. That's how you can use ChatGPT to learn any programming language. Python here is just an example. Ask small questions, try the code, and most importantly, change the code and observe what happens. This is one of the fastest ways to learn programming. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.